Hi and welcome. This is David Anthony here from Magic Webs, SEOmagicwebs.com. Over the next couple of minutes, what we're going to do is just cover off about Google Analytics. It's not specifically, obviously, an SEO component, but it allows you to monitor your results. If you're not tracking and measuring your results, then how do you know you're improving? How do you know magic new keywords that people are clicking on your site about? How do you know how people are finding you? You just don't. So basically, come along to Google Analytics, which is this address here, and you need to click on the analytics here, Access Analytics. So if you actually don't have an account, a Gmail account, just register with a Gmail account, just click on here. If you've already got Gmail, you can use that or just create a new Google account. Once you get in, basically, you can see around the system. But let me just first of all show you how the Google Analytics hooks up to Microsoft, to Google. First of all, let's come to one of our clients' site here, Madjack's Cafe. And basically, this is a food site in Singapore, one of our clients. And if you want to actually see how they hook up, behind the page in the HTML is the actual code which actually tells Google what to actually do. Let's have a quick look at that source code. Don't be too concerned. It's like, it's just a little bit different. It's okay, because what we're just looking at is this just there. You'll see that there's some script and that basically blah blah blah, and this is a get tracker Google script. So that is the number that will actually Google will pick up, and this particular script will run every time this page is loaded, and then go to Google, give them Google this number, then Google will actually track the actual analytics. You need to plug this into every single page of your site. If you've got a CMS, you need to plug it into the content, into the template, or into a special component that might be built into your actual CMS. We do that all for clients as part of a standard optimization service. So basically, let's have a look. Google now. Come over here basically, and this is what Google will look like once you get inside. So it gives you a good analytics, it gives you good information, and you can see you're tracking your visitors, you can see the period, and you can see all these down here on your left hand side. And you'll notice that these sections collapse and expand so that you can actually have a look at the different areas. So for example, if I want to know what my traffic sources are, and specifically the keywords that clients are coming in on, you'll see, for example, in this case, I know that I should be focusing on SEO because I'm high up in SEO, but it's giving me a lot of traffic and it's giving us a lot of phone calls. We get a lot of leads from SEO. And if you look, for example, right now in Google pages from Singapore, you can see that we're actually sitting here at number 2 in the actual search engine results. And if we look from pages from the web, I think you were about position 5 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no 7. So we were 5 the other day. So it goes up and down a little as the tide moves around. As you can imagine, this is the most competitive keyword on the web because all the search engine optimization people are very, very busy in here keeping their ranking. And to be honest, with the way we do things, we don't do a tremendous amount of work to keep our ranking. And that's just one of the little secrets that we have. We have some special services, special ways of doing things, and totally legit, totally white hat, which just keeps us up there, mainly using article marketing. So there's another little tip. Basically, in here you can see that 77 people have come in here. Notice the length of time on the site. Very important. These people are wanting to purchase my services, our services today, Magic Web Services. You can see that the bounce rate is 0. A bounce rate means is if it's very high, they come in and disappear off. There's one down here for a very unusual keyword. Let's see if we find a high bounce rate. No, they're all 0 bounce rates. So obviously people are very interested in our site here. So the longer they stay on this site and the lower the bounce rate, so 0 is brilliant, the better it is. So if it's, for example, 95% bounce rate, that means they've come in, wrong place, bounce straight out. And you can click on these and it will actually drill down and show you all the information and further information, and you can go all through these percentages and information, and on you go, and you can go on for hours and hours and hours, so you can actually analyze what's going on and how things are getting in. So spend some time in here, do set it up, make sure it's on your site, make sure it never gets removed by your web developer, and make sure that the code is actually at the bottom of your site, not at the actual top of the code. So when you actually look at the code, it actually sits here at the bottom of the page. That means that it will load at the end when Google actually goes to do the analytics, rather than load at the beginning, then wait, make your site visitors wait. So thank you very much. Do come to our website, have a look at our SEO Simple service. You can see that there's a video and information how we do things, and there's also a pricing on here as well. So take care for now, and I'll catch you very soon with another video from Magic Webs.